Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMM PTE NAATI. This is Manmohit. Now guys, in today's video, I am going to do another of the fill in the blanks reading question with all of you. Like we do in all the other videos as well, I would be giving you this question first. What you can do is you can pause the video and try to solve that question by yourself as to how many correct blanks you're getting, what mistakes are you making and all that. And what you can do is once you finish that question, in the comments down below, you can put as to how many correct answers did you get out of the given number of blanks. You might have not gotten anything correct. You might have gotten all of them correct. Doesn't matter. I just want to see as to where are we tracking, where are we standing in terms of the fill in the blanks reading question. And afterwards, you can resume the video. And what I'll do is we'll go through together as to what are the correct answers, obviously, but then how do we pick those correct answers? What do we eliminate? Why do we eliminate certain options and all that stuff? Now, just before I proceed, if you need any sort of assistance with your PTE exam or the NAATI exam, could be Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, we do have the coaching available for that. We do have the prediction file available for all these languages. You can get in touch with us on either Instagram or Facebook. The links are given in the description box below, or you can just search for M and MMPT NAATI and you will find us over there. Message us and then we can discuss as to how we can assist you with these exams. Let's get started. So right now, as you can see on your screen, this is the fill in the blanks reading question that we are going to do together. So like I said, take some time, pause the video, try to solve it by yourself, leave the answers in the comment below and also leave how many correct answers you got out of the given blanks, and then we will go together. Let's go with this one together now. So as you can see, we have got 4 blanks given to us. And for that one, we have been given 7 different options. So obviously out of these 7 different options, our job is to just select the 4 correct ones, whichever ones are there. So what we'll do is we'll use some grammar rules, plus we'll also use some logic, maybe some vocabulary, just to try and understand what the correct options are. Looking at the first one, it says, in the heart of the cities, and there's a blank. That means we know it's cities something and bustle. So here I am going to use one grammar rule which says, if I have got a conjunction which is and in between, and there is any word on either side, the other side will have a similar word as well. So whatever, if they say happy over here, then the word next to the word and is also going to be something similar to the word happy, which could be excited or delighted or something like that. Now what it says over here is and then they have given us the word bustle. Okay, and we have got a blank over here. So we need to find something similar to the word bustle. Bustle means bustling, it's filled, it's a positive word and it's filled. That's the meaning of the word bustle. Let's have a look at the different options. Which word could it be? Attend doesn't make any sense. Heavens, again, it doesn't really make any sense over here. Bustle means something which is busy and filled with people. So that's what we're looking for. Ancestors, that mean like old age. That's again not the correct one. Hustle, it rhymes with the word bustle as well. Plus it is of a similar meaning as well. Hustling and bustling. So hustle has to be my correct answer. And the other options were connect and bustle. Connect is not a similar word to the word bustle. Relief, again, it's not similar word to the word bustle. And dwellers is meaning it's related to the word dwelling, living. Again, it's not related. It's a word, but it's not related with the word bustle. So hustle would be my correct answer. And once I've used that, I'll just get rid of it from here, because we know in the exam we can only use one option once. So hustle has been used. Next blank. A green revolution grows by planting urban gardens. People are turning the rooftops and abandoned lots of the city into green something. And what green something? That produces fresh fruits and vegetables. We're looking for green something. We're looking for a noun that produces fresh fruits and vegetables. So what people are doing is they're planting some urban gardens and they're turning the rooftops of the buildings and the abandoned parts of the city into something green dash. Let's have a look. Green attend doesn't make any sense. Green heavens, it does make a sense because it's a noun. Green ancestors, It's illogical, doesn't make any sense. Green connect doesn't make any sense. Green relief, again, it's not relatable. And green dwellers. Dwellers means people living at a place. Green dwellers, again, it's not a related word to people. Heavens means quiet space. Something similar to that word. Lots of the city, abandoned lots of the city into green heavens. Means green places, which sounds perfect because it's a noun. So that means heavens has to be my correct answer. So heaven is also done. Now let's look at the other two blanks. It says these green spaces not only provide fresh food to city dash, so city something, but also serve as community hubs. And we'll read the rest of the sentence later once we reach that particular blank. So we're just looking at this one now. These green spaces not only provide fresh food to city attend, doesn't make any sense. City ancestors, no. Ancestors is like old people. So city old age basically. City ancestors doesn't make any sense. City connect doesn't make any sense. City relief, again, city relief doesn't sound logical. City dwellers. Dwellers means people living at a specific place. So if I say city dwellers, does it make sense? Absolutely. City people, city life basically. So dwellers would be my correct answer. So that one is also used now. So now I'm left with one blank, and then I'm left with 4 different options. So now we just need to choose one correct answer out of the 4 options. It says these green spaces not only provide fresh food to city dwellers, as in city people, but also serve as community hubs. Community hubs? Where? What happens in community hubs? Where people learn and dash with nature. So again, we have got the word and over here. We have got the word learn over here. So we need something similar on the right hand side. Learn and something with nature. And that thing has to be related with nature. So what would people do with nature? They would learn and something with nature. Learn and attend with nature. We can't attend nature. That's wrong. Learn and ancestors with nature. Again, it's not logical. And another thing, if you see what type of word it is, it's learn is a verb. It's an action word, learning something. So we're doing something. So even on the other side of and, we need something action, some verb over here. Ancestors is a noun. It can't be my answer. Relief can't be my answer. We need a verb over here. Connect. Is it a verb? Is it an action word? Connecting with someone? Yes, connect is a verb. And that would be my correct answer. Because if you read it out now, where people learn and connect with nature, it absolutely sounds perfect. And also, as part of the phrase, we always say connect to with. Connect with. These two words always come together. So it also grammatically makes sense as well. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. I hope this was helpful. Just wanted to share one question with you just so you can not just find and guess the correct answers, but actually get a bit of an understanding behind as to why are you picking this answer and why are you eliminating certain options. That is very important because in the exam, you would already be under pressure. So we have to be very mindful of the words that we are choosing so that we know at the end of the exam that yes, I know for sure that my answers were correct and you have not just guessed your answers. I hope this was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below and me and Mohit can reply to you guys as quickly as possible. If you need some assistance with your PTE or the NAATI exam, feel free to get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook and we can have a discussion around the same. All the best if you guys have got your exams coming soon. I wish you all the best. Stay safe and I will see you all in the next video.